Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so the connection will work first try. On Android, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging. On iPhone, trust the computer and enable screen mirroring. Make sure your laptop supports the cable type, USB-C with DisplayPort Alt mode or HDMI capture, because the hardware must pass video. Install the mirroring app or driver now, and if the app asks for permissions, grant them. Once done, plug in the cable and watch for device recognition on the laptop. Now you launch the mirroring software and configure the stream so it behaves like a local display. Connect the phone with the cable and accept any permission dialogues on the device. Then open the app and select the detected phone as the input. Choose resolution and orientation to match your laptop screen and toggle audio forwarding if you want sound. If you need lower latency for interaction, reduce bitrate or resolution. If you want sharper image, raise quality and accept a bit more delay. Finish by optimizing how you use the mirrored screen. Enable full screen, allow keyboard and mouse control when offered, and set DPI or scaling so text is readable. Make sure to stop the mirroring session in the app before unplugging to prevent data or permission glitches. If you don't see a signal, first make sure the cable and adapter support video. Then confirm drivers are installed, USB mode is set to file transfer or video, and the phone granted permissions. Reboot either device if handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.